Hi guys, welcome to part 2 of this giveaway where I explain to you why this was my favorite drone. Now if you go back on the channel, you'll see one bit where I was flying this over the roof of the house. It was my first time where I was able to do FPV, and I had a drone that was controllable enough that I could go over the house and do a roof inspection. And this is the brand of the FPV drone or whatever. But anyway, camera drone that is stable enough to be able to do that. So this will be the first prize. Sadly, you cannot do that kind of thing with this one. It's not stable enough. It doesn't have large enough props and stuff to be able to navigate as well. So you wouldn't be able to do that with this, which is why this is second prize. And the third prize, as I said before, is this cool plane here. And we're going to do a bunch of other videos where I show you how cool this plane is.
Likey.